For the best price, click the link in the description. But have you ever found yourself stuck in a creative rut, struggling to come up with new ideas for your next project? Therefore, I'm excited to share my experience with the Creative T60, a portable speaker that's designed to help you get out of that rut and into a more productive state. But here's what surprised me. Despite its compact size, this thing is a beast. It packs some serious punch in terms of sound quality, and it's actually pretty easy to use, even for someone like me who's not exactly tech-savvy. Therefore, if you're looking for a way to boost your creativity and productivity on the go, keep watching. One of the things that really stood out to me about the Creative T60 was its portability. It's tiny, lightweight, and has a battery life of up to 12 hours, which is perfect for anyone who needs to work or create content in different locations. But I'll be honest with you, at first, I wasn't impressed by its sound quality. Therefore, let me put it this way, the Creative T60 is not just a speaker, it's an experience. It's designed to help you get into a flow state, which is that magical place where creativity and productivity come together in perfect harmony. But how does it actually work? Well, I've been using it for a few weeks now, and I have to say it's been a game changer. The sound quality is rich and immersive, and the built-in audio effects are actually pretty cool. You can choose from a variety of modes, including focus, relax, and even a fun party mode that's perfect for when you need to get pumped up. But here's where things get interesting. The Creative T60 also has a built-in microphone that allows you to make high-quality voiceovers or podcasts on the go. And let me tell you, it sounds amazing. I've been using it to record some of my YouTube videos, and the results have been incredible. Therefore, if you're looking for a way to take your content creation to the next level, look no further than the Creative T60. It's not just a speaker, it's a tool that can help you tap into your creative potential and produce high-quality content with ease. But don't just take my word for it, let me show you some of the features in action. One of the things I love about this thing is its sleek design. It looks great, and it's so easy to use, even a non-techie person like me can figure it out in no time. Therefore, if you're looking for a way to boost your creativity and productivity on the go, don't miss out on this opportunity. But I know what you're thinking. Is the Creative T60 really worth it? And my answer is absolutely. It's an investment that will pay for itself over and over again, especially if you're someone who works or creates content regularly. Therefore, let me give you a quick rundown of the pros and cons. On the plus side, the sound quality is amazing, it's super portable, and the built-in microphone is top-notch. However, some people may find the battery life to be a bit short, but personally, I've never had any issues with that. But here's what really sold me on this thing, the customer support. Creative has an excellent reputation for standing behind their products, and it shows in every aspect of their design and customer service. Therefore, if you do have any issues or questions, don't hesitate to reach out, they'll be happy to help. Therefore, if you're looking for a high-quality portable speaker that will take your content creation to the next level, look no further than the Creative T60. And as always, for the best price, click the link in the description below, /n. For the best price, click the link in the description.